In this video, we're going to add a series of fractions, and we're not going to use any models for this one. So if we have a problem like this that says add 7/12 plus 3/12 plus 1/12, what's the answer? And if you take a look at the description, you can find links to other videos of mine that go through this explanation in detail and use different models to help you understand it. So check those out. So what we need to always remember is if you notice that the denominators are the same, that means you can just simply add the numerators and then just keep the denominator the same in the answer. So all we have to do is add these up. So 7 plus 3 plus 1 is 11 over 12. So we put 11 here, and then the denominator stays the same in the answer. So it's 11 over 12. And this is very simple. You just always need to remember about the denominator. And if you need extra help, you could just download the ebook. You could follow this exact lesson in the ebook as you watch the video. And make sure to like and subscribe if you feel you've learned something. And thank you so much for listening.